Good day, children. Our topic for today is all about body parts. We're going to discuss first the upper part of our body. First, we call this eyebrow. Say it again. Eyebrow. How about this one? This is eye or eyes. Say it again. Eyes. How about this one? This is nose. Say it again. Nose. Where is your nose? Right here. Very good. How about this one? This is your mouth. Say it again. Mouth. Very good. And how about this one? This is your neck. Say it again. Neck. Very good. How about this one? This is hair. Say it again. Hair. Can you please hold your hair? Yes, that is your hair. How about this one? We call this forehead. Say it again. Forehead. How about this one? This is ear or ears. Say it again. Ears. And how about this one? We are going to use this when we chew. This is our teeth. Say it again. Teeth. Very good. Next, what is that? The tongue. Say it again. Tongue. And how about this one? This is lip. Say it again. Lip. Point your lip. Okay, that is your lip. So where is your lip again? This one. Very good. So all of this is we call the head. Say it again. Head. Very good. The lower part of our body, we're going to discuss. First, we call this arm. Say it again. Arm. This one we call the hand. Say it again. Hands. How about this one? Your fingers. Say it again. Fingers. And how about this one? This is the leg or legs. Say it again. Leg. And how about this one? This is the chest. Say it again. Chest. And how about this one? The knee. Say it again. Knee. Very good. And how about this one? This is the foot. Very good. Activity time. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Okay, first, what is that? This is your, what is this? This is, we call your head. Very good. How about this one? This is the eye or eyes. Very good. How about this one? This is nose. Very good. How about this one? This is the mouth. Very good. And how about this one? This is the arm. Very good. And this one? These are the fingers. Very good. And how about this one? The chest. Very good. How about this one? These are your leg. Very good. And how about this one? This is your hair. Very good. And how about this one? This is eyebrow. Very good. How about this one? The tooth. Tooth we call tooth because it is only one. And how about this one? The ear. How about this one? The lip. And how about this one? Tongue. Your tongue. Very good. And how about this one? Hands. And the last one, this is the foot. Very good. What did we learn for today, children? We learned for today is all about body parts. Very good. Thank you for listening, children. Remember, learning is fun. If you're still new to my channel, please click the subscribe button together with the bell button to be updated for new knowledge and ideas. Till next time. Bye-bye.